Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling required documents. This saves time and prevents delays. Once you have ID, recent pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements, open the lender portal and create your account. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and link the bank you use for income deposits so verification runs smoothly. Now start the application form, focusing on accurate personal and employment fields. Errors here trigger manual review, which slows approval. You'll now work through the core application sections carefully because the lender evaluates debt to income and stability. Enter exact income numbers, employer contact info, and current liabilities. This reduces verification questions. Next, upload clear PDF scans or images of documents, naming files logically so underwriters can find them fast. Then choose loan amount, term, and any rate options. Compare the estimated monthly payment and total fees. Once done, double-check for mismatches and save a copy of the completed application. You finish by reviewing disclosures and electronically signing, because consent to credit check and ACH is required to proceed. After signing, monitor the portal and email for verification requests and respond quickly. This keeps underwriting moving. Prepare funds for any origination fees or escrow within the stated timeframe. If your application is denied, request the specific reason, correct documentation errors, dispute any credit report inaccuracies, and consider adding a cosigner or adjusting loan terms to improve approval odds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.